Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2000 model Subaru Forester Limited, stock reference number 4507. This shape runs from the 8th month 1997 through to the 6th month 2002. It is an EG20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. EJ20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front and side. We have the headlight, corner lamp, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 3 small dents. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, both in good condition. And a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with dark grey cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.